And I want to bring in First Amendment attorney Jeff Lewis for more on this case. Jeff, thanks for coming on. You know, to win this case, Dominion has to meet the burden of proving, quote, actual malice. So can you just start by explaining what that means and how high that bar is?
It's very high. They have to prove by clear and convincing evidence that the management at Fox News, the folks who decided who to put on the air, knew that the statements about Dominion rigging the election were false, or that they relied on unreasonable sources. And it's a very high burden to make.
Now, the judge has already sanctioned Fox News over delays in the discovery process. How significant is that?
It's very significant. I could see those sanctions prompting renewed settlement conversations. You don't want the trial judge hearing a case expressing doubt about the truthfulness of Fox News' lawyers, and the separate investigation about the production of this late evidence could be a real distraction.
Now, the judge has already issued a series of rulings saying certain statements were false. He also blocked one of Fox's defenses, that it was just reporting on newsworthy claims from then President Trump and his legal team. How do you think that'll affect the case going forward?
It's extraordinary. The judge has tied the hands behind Fox News's back in terms of what Fox could argue. They can't argue that it was true that Dominion machine stole this election. Instead, they have to focus narrowly on this issue of actual malice. These are significant rulings.
How difficult is jury selection in a case like this, Jeff?
Very difficult. You know, with wall-to-wall coverage about the recent sanctions, the documents that have been produced, the recent revelations, the sanctions order. How can you find a jury that hasn't heard about this case or formed an opinion about the election or this lawsuit? It's going to be tricky.
All right, First Amendment attorney Jeff Lewis, we appreciate it. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.